So class 8, we are studying civics chapter 1 and we have finished page number 3. Today we will study page number 4, legality of laws. What is legality of laws? Legality of laws क्या है? I request you to please follow the book, see the book at home, page number 4, paragraph, legality of laws. The constitution is the ultimate source of power. No one is above the constitution. So the constitution, our constitution is the ultimate source of power. हम लोग का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो सबसे ऊपर है. नो वन इज अबव द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नो वन इज अबव दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के ऊपर कोई भी नहीं है. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज प्रोवाइडेड फॉर एन इंडिपेंडेंट एंड पावरफुल जुडिशियरी दैट इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डिफेंडिंग द राइट ऑफ द कॉमन मैन. सो आवर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज प्रोवाइडेड for an independent and powerful judiciary. Our constitution has provided independent and powerful judiciary. Independent and powerful judiciary. Judiciary for what? For defending the right of common man. For defending this judiciary, for defending the right of common man. If a law is enacted against the principle of the constitution, अगर कोई भी कानून या लॉ देश में बना है, अगर वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के खिलाफ है, इफ इट इज अगेंस्ट द लॉ, AGAINST, अगेंस्ट द लॉ, इफ इट इज अगेंस्ट द लॉ, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? इफ एनी लॉ इज अगेंस्ट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, अगर कोई भी कानून देश में अगर बना है, इफ a present ruler of our country, the legislature pass any law which is against the constitution, then the judiciary has the right to, judiciary means court has the right to declare it as null and void. So the main thing is here, legality of law means अगर कोई भी कानून, if any law is formed in the country and which is against the constitution, जो constitution के हिसाब से नहीं है, then the judiciary, this judiciary, our court has the right to declare that law as null and void. उस law को कानून से हम लोग उसको लागू होने से the court will execute it, उसको पूरी तरह से खारिज कर देगा. Understood? So this is the main point of legality of law. Understood? Next, next point, page number 5, law and dissent. Law and dissent, DISSENT, law and dissent. So law means you understood what is law, kanun, and dissent means to oppose. Dissent means to oppose. Dissent means to oppose. Wherever there is law, there is bound to be dissent or opposition to it. For example, if a law goes against the interest of the group of people, then the group of people with protest to express its dissatisfaction. So if a law, अगर कोई कानून बना है, now also I have explained it, if a law is against the public interest, if a law is against the interest of the people, if a law is against the interest of the people or a group of people, then this group of people, what they will do, this group of people, they will protest, they will protest against the law, against, against the law. They will protest is against this law. So if any law is enacted in our country, in a state, then if the group of people, if any party or if any group of people, they are not supposed to get the law enacted, they will protest for that law, and this protest is known as dissent. Okay.